To my channel, welcome back to Hobbies and Craft. My name is Lola and this is my channel. And so today I'll be working on a very simple project and very satisfying project. I printed this coloring sheet from Microsoft Word and it has numbers on them, and that's Doodle design of Zentangle designs that you can color with your markers or different things. Whatever color you have, you can use crayon, you can use just about anything to color them, and you can just flow with it. There's no hard or fast rule about it. You can color with just about any color or set of colors that you like, and you can just flow with it and just enjoy it. It's very therapeutic and it's very relaxing. project is quite satisfying and relaxing, and I love the burst of colors. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I love the colors. They brighten up the day for you. So you should try this out. It's very simple, straightforward, no hard and fast rule. Just flow with whatever comes to your head, just any color that you wish to. Can you see how beautiful it is? Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.